Good day everyone, this is Nico Kuskus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss the rates of change. The rates of change defines how fast is something changing, whether it's distance, volume, pressure, and etc. It also determines what is changing with respect to time, radius, and height. In rates of change, we can express this in terms of another variable, or it can be expressed in terms of the rate of change of another variable, or it can be both. So we have an example. The distance between two moving objects. One car leaves an intersection traveling north at 50 miles per hour. Another is driving west toward the intersection at 40 miles per hour. At one point, the northbound car is 3/10 of a mile north of the intersection, and the westbound car is 4/10 of miles east of it. At this point, how fast is the distance between the cars changing? As car A travels at north, the distance y is growing at 50 miles per hour. That's a rate and change in distance per change in time. And as car B travels to the west, the distance x is shrinking. Therefore, that is a negative rate, which equals to negative 40 miles per hour. So therefore, dy over dt is equals to 50 miles per hour, and dx over dt is equals to negative 40 miles per hour. So ds over dt is unknown, and we need to find that. So we have our y 0.3 and our x 0.4, and s is unknown. So in this equation, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equals to c. We'll do this trick in this y triangle, and s is the hypotenuse, and this x and y are the legs of the right triangle. So let us differentiate this with respect to time. So we have s squared equals x squared plus y squared. So we will need to use the implicit differentiation with the power rule. So we get 2s ds over dt equals 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt. So again, let us use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for s. So we have s squared equals, and just substitute the value of x and the y. So we get s squared equals x squared plus y squared. S squared is equal to 0.4 squared plus 0.3 squared. 0.4 squared is equals to 0.16, and 0.3 squared is equal to 0.09, and 0.16 plus 0.9 is equals to 0.25. So therefore, our s, and squared both sides, so therefore our s is equals to plus a negative 0.5. We can reject the negative answer because obviously s has a positive length. Now we have to put everything into our equation, which is this. So, and substitute the value of x, y, and s. We have 2s ds over dt equals 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt. So we have 2 times 0.5 ds over dt is equals 2.2 times 0.4 times dx over dt equals to negative 40 plus 2 times 0.3 times 50 miles per hour. So we now have 1 times ds over dt, because 2 times 0.5 is 1. ds over dt is equals to negative 32 plus 30. So therefore, ds over dt is equals to negative 2. This negative answer means that the distance is decreasing, which is rs is decreasing. So thus, when car A is 3 blocks north of the intersection and car B is 4 blocks east of it, the distance between them is decreasing at rate of 2 miles per hour.